How to enable or disable autoplay video on Canva. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be teaching you guys on process of enabling or disabling autoplay video on Canva. So let's initiate the steps. First of all, start by launching your Canva application or open your Google Chrome web browser and go to canva.com. Upon the launch, you will be directed to the home page. And now from here, go ahead and click on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen that is just beside the notifications option. Click on it. Within the settings menu, access the section designated for your account settings. Scroll all the way down until you spot the autoplay videos option. Click on this option to reveal a drop-down menu, and if your intention is to enable autoplay videos, adjust the settings to autoplay videos on. Conversely, if you wish to disable the autoplay videos, set it to autoplay videos off. By following those instructions, you can conveniently control the autoplay video feature on Canva. If you found this tutorial beneficial, we kindly encourage you to show your support by liking and sharing and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next one.